All right, nice little junior floor here. It's actually furnished. Somebody's temporarily living here. It's quite bright, although we won't open up the shades here. There's a very large living / dining area. A lot of closets at the entrance. And this is an open kitchen, pretty much. It's right off the dining area with a window on the avenue. A very nice bathroom, triple vanity, tub, shower, bath, the window again, more closets, and a very good sized bedroom. Easily a king size bed. Could probably fit off in the corner over here. Closets in here. Only one closet in here. One closet by the door. The bathroom, and then the 3 in the main room. So large 1 bedroom but junior floor. So it's convertible too. Call me Christopher Bott, the Corcoran team. The elite team at Corcoran, 917-721-0202, and one of my team members can show you this property.